Students, today we are going to see about the first lesson. What is the lesson which comes under the title Multimedia and Desktop Publishing? File formats. So what is file formats? In olden days, how the data gets stored in computer? So all the data are stored in files. So the file format is a standard way that information is encoded for storage in computer files. So how the informations are encoded and stored, and in what way those data are get stored is said to be as a file format. So file format is a standard way that the information is encoded for storing in a computer file, and it's are used to encode the information in a digital storage medium, that is in computers or in laptops or whatever the digital medium may be. How the bits are used to encode the information, so we can easily identify how the data and what are the kind of data are get stored. So after seeing mp3 file, that is the file name, and after that there must be the extension. So the extension part is said to be as a file formats. In what format those files are get stored? In mp3 formats, now we can easily identify those are song files or music files or audio files, and mov for motion files, that is video files, and then png for image files. xls means it is created by the excel app, and then AVI, which is used for video files. So the JPG identifies the image files or image files. So these are all the files which are can be easily identified by the file format, and file formats may be either proprietary or free of cost. Stored in some file format. First format we are going to see about text format. So text, in notepad we are typing some text, and those files are saved as txt files, .txt, the extension .txt, and by the extension itself we can easily identify what kind of files or what kind of data gets stored. So we can easily identify the text file by its txt, that is text format. So in the text format there are two types, that is RTF and plain text. RTF means rich text formats. Are going to see about RTF. So rich text format. So first this is the primary file format. So in all files, the text files are stored in primary file format, and it was introduced in 1987 by Microsoft company with the specification of their published products, and it is mainly used for cross-platform documents. That is, these files can be opened in what kind of OS or what kind of the applications maybe these files are get opened. So it is said to be as an are going to see about plain text. So plain text files can be opened or read or edited by most of the editors. So it is a common files which are used, and these files are called as plain text, and it is the original and popular way of conveying an email. So emails and all we are typing and these kind of files are text are called as plain text, and those files are stored in the format of plain text format, and these files can be opened, read and edited by all the text editors. And what are all the text editors? In Windows, what is the text editor? Where we can create the text files in Notepad or Wattpad. So here Notepad is a common text editor which are used for Windows, and then TextEdit for Mac OS, and Gedit or Nano for Unix and Linux OS. We are going to see about image formats. So here image formats, what are the image formats? So how the image files are get stored after in computer. Every files are stored in bits and bytes. In bits and bytes, how the image can be stored and how we can represent those images with the help of image formats. And we are representing 7 image formats: TIFF, BMP, DIB, GIF, JPG, TG files. Can see here in a screen that image formats. What are the two kind of images? Raster or bitmap images and vector images. So by using circles, lines, we can easily draw those images are called as vector images, and these files PDF, EPS, AI are the files which are comes under this vector images category, and JPG, GIF, PNG, TIFF, PSD, those files are comes under are based on those files formats are based on this raster image. So first image format we are going to see is TIFF, TIFF, tagged image file format. So in this format is common in desktop publishing world. So it gives the high quality output so that it will occupy more size, more memory size, and it is supposed by almost all software packages, and the recent version of TIFF allows the compression technique so that we can easily compress the files, and this format is comfortable for moving large files between the. So next topic we are going to see about BMP, that is bitmap images. Already we had seen this. So this is an image which are formed with matrices, that is small tiny dots. With the help of called pixels, we can form these kind of raster or bitmap images, and these files are stored with least number of colors, and these files format is used with Windows 3.1, and these files are quite large and uncompressed, so we cannot use this BMP files for transferring the data from one computer to another computer, as it is take more memory and it is not compressed. It is used for high is DIB, that is device independent bitmap. Device independent bitmap, and this format is similar to bitmap, and these files of devices. And next topic we are going to see about GIF files, and GIF is an graphics interchange file format, GIF, or we can is represented is it as an GIF. And this format is best, as you have known already about this GIF files. Most of them are using that mobiles, in that we can, while we are sending instead of stickers or emojis, we can also use this GIF files to send messages. And these what kind of GIF images you had seen? Just a small image or picture having some movement. So here limited amount of colors are used for GIF files, and this format is suitable for graphics, that is any motion images, and it is a compressed image format. It uses 8-bit color lookup table to identify the color values, and it is a popular format used for online color photos. And use this. Next topic we are seen about JPG, that is Joint Photographic Experts Group. It uses lossy compression technique. Here we must know about compression. So we are studying about compression. What is compression? So we are compressing. We are just reducing the file size. While I am sending the video through or downloading the video from the YouTube, what I have to compress it into least pixels, 320 pixels or some other low pixels. Now the quality must be lost. So that is called as lossy compression technique. So while you are reducing the file size, there must be a loss in some quality of that video or image. So those kind of techniques are used in Joint Photographic Experts Group. While you are downloading, you can reduce the picture. Now the picture is somehow blur and wavy. It should not be in clear quality or high quality. That is what they have represented here, and it was designed to attain the maximum image compression. So all the files in what are the format, it may be compressed, it may be used in JPG for good compression, and it works good with photographs and naturalistic artwork. But it does not support for letter and live drawings. As we have reduced the letters now, it not shown. So these JPG files are used only for photographs and naturally artwork. Next topic we are going to see about TGA. TGA, Targa. That is T. As you are going to see, TGA represents Targa, TA or GA, and it is the first popular format for high resolution images which are created by format for high resolution images supported by most video capture boards. And then next, PNG, that is portable network graphics. As you are known already in this book, also the same, it used the compression techniques, and these files are the replacement for GIF and TIFF files, and it works good for online viewing apps. And mostly, as you have studied in last year, these details, it is mostly used for online transformation of images, and it is supported by networks. And in World Wide Web apps also, we can fully streamable with the best display option. So we are using this kind of file formats. Next, audio file formats. So what are the audio file formats? There are 12 types of audio formats are here, but we are going to see about only 6 here. In your book they had given only 6 type of file formats, that is WAV, MP3, OGG, AIFF, and then WMA and RA. So we are going to see the details in the next slides. So first we are going to see about so WAV files are saved with the extension .wav, and MP3 files are saved with .mp3 extension, and OGG files which are named as voguing come from the word voguing. It is represented as .ogg, and WMA is also the word kind of file, and MIDI files are used to store the audio wave files, analog audio wave files. First topic we are going to see in audio file formats is WAV, that is waveform audio file format, and this format is most popular format in Windows for storing uncompressed sound files. Like that, uncompressed images are stored in the extension .bmp, as like that audio files are stored in extension .wav, and these audio files can be converted into other format, and we can reduce. Next topic we are going to see about MP3. What is MP3? It is derived by the corporation MPEG, that is Moving Picture Experts Group. MPEG is a corporate company which is created this kind of formats, and this is represented as layer 3 format, and this format is most popular format for storing and downloading audio and music files, and this is roughly compressed to 1/10 of the wave file. So as the wave file has occupied large more memory, and these MP3 files occupies less memory as they are using that compression. Topic we are going to see about OGG, that is derived from the word ogging, and it is a free open source container format. As it is free, you can easily got downloaded in mobile. All the ringtones, basic ringtone files, you open and see the details. Now you can understand. You may also have some of the little audio files like ringtones or basic message tone you are having, for WhatsApp or some other apps, you are having basic ringtone. An alarm you are having some. So you just open that file and see the extension, means it comes under .ogg. So it is a format which is used to design the better streaming and evolving high-end quality digital formats. High-end quality, that is, it gives higher quality of sounds, and it is does not use the compression technique, so it occupies lot more memories. Next topic we are going to see is AIFF, that is audio interchange file format, and this format is mainly used by as it is a proprietary software format. It is mainly used by Apple, and which is like wave file for Mac For Mac computers, they are using that WAV file now, and this AIFF is a file format which are used by Apple, and they are using that lossless format. Format techniques. And the next topic is WMA, Windows Media Audio, and it is a popular format which are owned by Microsoft and designed with management abilities. That is design right management abilities, and which are used for copyright protection. Next topic we are going to see about RA, that is real audio format. That is, this format is designed for streaming audio over the internet, and digital audio resources are usually stored as a computer file on hard disk or CD, and these RA files are stored with the extension .RA, and those are developed by real networks, and these files are totally stored in computer CDs, hardwares, and here they had seen about a variety of audio file formats, and in these formats which are most popular or common MP3, WMA, RA, and .W. Next we are going to see about digital video file format. What are the formats we have seen here is AVI and MPG. AVI is audio video interleave, and MPEG is moving picture experts group. These are the two formats. Those video files are get stored in computer. Models they had given 5 formats. All those files are stored in WMV, FLV, MOV, and the popular formats are AVI and MPEG. That is MPG. MPG or AVI are the popular formats. So first we are going to see about AVI, and what is AVI? Audio video interleave. From the name itself we can identify that interleave, that is a specified minimized the memory size with the help of interleave chunks. So you can see it clear. First point, AVI is the video file format for Windows, and here the picture and the sound elements are stored in alternate interleaved chunks. That is, audio and video data are saved in a file container. So the sound and its related picture. Next, sound and the related picture. Likewise, the sound and the picture element are stored in a same file container, and those data are saved in a same file container, and they are represented as an interleaved chunks in the files. Next topic we are going to see about the experts group. So MPEG is a standard for generating digital video and audio compression files, which are standard by ISO and by the group of people. ISO group of people are giving standards for MPEG files, and these files are, as you had known, MP4 which represent the video file, and MP3 which represent the music files, and here we are going to see the levels presenting these files as MPG3, MPG4, like that, how they are named. See here, there is a ISO group which are developed MPG1. MPG1 means it is a standard for video CD and MP3 based details, and MP2, that is which supports products for digital video, that is television set-top boxes and DVDs, and MPEG4 which is used to represent video and audio files. Multimedia and mobile web. And then 7 for MP7, the standard search of audio and video content. And then next MPEG21, that is media framework, multimedia framework, which are started in 2000, and it is a standard for digital video.